What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now, cleaning out my toolboxes and getting some stuff organized so that way I can have a few different kits. I like to have kits where I can just grab this one for that job or that one for another job. And here go my nice harness. I'm doing ironwork, and this is like one of my favorite ones. It's like $600 harness, and then with the accessories more than that. And this is like my industrial harness, so when I'm doing industrial work, it's a little lighter. But ones when I be on lifts and stuff, I use that one. And this is my wife, the one she uses. It's like a female, lightweight version when she helping me on certain jobs. But I'm lining all of my stuff out, man, getting everything lined out. I got a lot of stuff, man. I got to organize here, as you see. I got tools out here for days, so I'm gonna do a little spring cleaning. That's under my RV. I got a lot of space under here too. I'll be keeping all type of stuff. So now I'm trying to get a little organization over here. About to get ready to do some moving, so got to get things ready. That's what I'm gonna be doing today, though. But I got an idea I want to show you. I'm gonna put together a mobile kit for repairs. If you want to start off your independent welding business on doing repairs on, gates, fences, different things like that, where you can actually have a small unit and you can actually go out and get some money. I'm gonna put a small kit together and show you exactly what you need to get started. Hold on.